We're Byron and Jill, two hands-on people with big dreams. In 2024, we purchased 100 acres in southeast Queensland in an area called Mount Binga. We bought it on a total whim. Byron was nursing a damaged knee after a motocross accident and doing some heavy thinking. And Jill was dreaming of being closer to the mountains, the beach, her family, and riding some new mountain bike trails. We'd never heard of Mount Binga before, but the native trees, rolling hills and permanent dams seemed like the perfect place to build a new off-grid haven for us and our two boys. We're not new to building, but we are new to YouTube, so stay tuned as we get off-grid at Mount Binga. If you watched our last video, you would have seen the mammoth effort we put in for the first 2 days of our shed build. We got all the portals up and bolted down. We got 95% of the roof sheeting and insulation done. And we got the back wall sheeted as well. In this video, you'll see bits and pieces of how we finished it all off over the next 3 days. Starting with a close-up of Byron's tool belt.
Good morning, Byron here from Gilby Off-Grid Living. We're on day 3 and yesterday we had quite a successful day. Everyone dug deep and we worked through the sunny weather and we got a fair bit done. Have a quick look. Today we'll be working on the end walls and getting some doors in. I've got some professional door fitters here today, so we'll be getting that done and hopefully throwing a few more walls up, see how far we get by the end of the day.
And it's also your birthday.
Happy birthday.
Lucky for us, Steve and Tyson install garage doors for a living, when they're not helping us build our shed, that is.
This is the bolt master, the Dyna bolt master. Drill, baby, drill. Drill, baby, drill, that's it.
Square enough? Yeah, you can twist it back if you want. That's good. Sounds good, you right? Yeah.
The pace today was admittedly a little slower than the last couple of days, but it was also more finicky. Nobody wants a rickety door after all.
Marked out, yep, I see it. Go, Tyson, up, go. Up. 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 Oh, you right, Dad? I'm on the wrong side. Dad?
Having this genie lift here has been a real godsend. A real magic in a bottle piece of equipment.
Nah. Patience. Yes, handy. Right, here you go. Oh yeah, look. Fix. Good. Up you go. Yep.
you go. Yep.
Yep. Tiny bit out.
happens? Oh, no, go a bit different, mate. I'm only going to like 10. Once you go a bit lower. You get a button fucking right there.
Yeah, right.
Go through the big bang.
Alright.
Yeah.
Need more than that or no?
No, that's why I work below it.
Day 4 here at Gilby Off-Grid Living. Yesterday we had a huge day. Have a look. We got all the doors installed, 2 doors, 2 roller doors, and we also got a lot more sheeting done, another wall built, some more bracing done,
Insulation.
insulation done. It was a big team effort yesterday. Today we're closing in on the small jobs, filling in some off-cut sheets, getting some gutter done, some flashings done. Last day that Dad's here to help, so we'll make the most of it. And it's been a huge help having the old boy here. Young fella Tyson, he's out with an injury, work injury, nothing serious, but today we'll push on, see how we go.
Unfortunately, we didn't get much footage for the rest of this day, as the camera crew had to head into town to do some of the important stuff. But Byron did get all of the guttering on and the down pipes installed in preparation for the rainwater tank that will be coming soon.
Good morning, Byron here from Gilby Off-Grid Living. We're on day 5 and we've lost all our helping hands. It's just me now, Jill and I, to finish what we need to today. It's been a big help having Dad and my little brother Tyson here, and we wouldn't get done what we have without them. And 5 days has gone past pretty quick, and we're a bit tired, but we're getting there. Have a look. There's just a few little bits and pieces to finish off for me, and I'll get stuck into it.
We're not really keen on sharing our shed with all the bugs and spiders that we know are outside. So we sealed all the gaps under the wall sheets with some expanding foam. Of course, this then meant that we had to trim back the expanding foam to allow the air cell to be taped onto the walls. Dad and I were a 2-person team for all of the wall insulation. He was on the tapes and I was on the measuring, cutting and installing. You can also see Byron in the background starting to put up some timber work for the walls. This will be in a future video. And after a lot of creative cutting and taping by yours truly, every square centimetre of this shed is now insulated with 6mm air cell. This will make the biggest difference in both summer and winter. And with all that finished, we're done. 5 days, a solid effort. Very happy. In the next episode, we tackle a few more of the off-grid essentials. We show our solar and battery energy system being installed, as well as our new rainwater tank. Stay tuned.